In today's video, I will walk you through how to sort coins by trading volume on CoinMarketCap. To sort coins by trading volume on CoinMarketCap, start by going to the CoinMarketCap homepage. Once the homepage is open, locate the main cryptocurrency ranking table. Scroll down slightly until you find the main list where cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are displayed. In the cryptocurrency ranking table, look across the column headers at the top of the list. Find the column labeled Volume 24-hour. This is the column you need to use to sort the coins by their trading volume. To sort the list, click directly on the Volume 24-hour column header. You can also click on the small up and down arrow next to the Volume 24-hour label. After clicking the Volume 24-hour column header, you can also click on the small up and down arrow next to the Volume 24-hour label. After clicking the Volume 24-hour column for the first time, the table will be sorted in descending order. The cryptocurrencies with the highest 24-hour trading volume will appear at the top of the list. If you want to reverse the order, click on the Volume 24-hour column header again. The second click will change the sorting direction to ascending order. The cryptocurrencies with the lowest 24-hour trading volume will appear first in the list. To change the order again, click the same Volume 24-hour column header to switch between the available sorting options. Make sure you are using the Volume 24-hour column when sorting, as this is the column that controls the trading volume order. The first click displays the highest trading volume coins at the top, and the second click displays the lowest trading volume coins at the top. Continue clicking the Volume 24-hour header whenever you need to switch the sorting direction of the cryptocurrency list. The table will update automatically based on the selected order. This completes the process of sorting coins by their 24-hour trading volume on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.